We're here at the Holiday Inn Express.
I'm sorry.
Here in Florida City, Florida. I don't know what we have here. Oh, it's one of these things. Archer elevator. What the heck is this thing? What in the world is this? This is the southernmost hotel in the Miami metro area. And they have an interesting elevator here. That's for sure. Even those lanterns are tiny too. What in the world is this? You can scan this if you want to. So you're gonna write on this because this is a weird elevator. I don't understand these buttons whatsoever. For Holiday Inn cab. Oh yeah, that's real. This is honestly really nice. Here's 3. I'm making it off here. Oh, how cute. Look at this. That's just floating here. That's cute. I don't understand this call button. Go ahead and cut. Yeah. This is honestly really nice. I found this thing really weird for some odd reason. Look at those buttons. Okay, elevator.
Thank you.
Look, sorry. Look at this. This is a really weird elevator. I have never seen this button before. It's definitely weird. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.